Hi music students. This video is for Book 2, Chapter 3. I'm going to be using the clarinet, but you can play along with flute, saxophone, or trumpet, doesn't matter. So let's start by reading the lesson in Chapter 3, the green chapter. The goals for this chapter are to learn about dynamics, key signatures, and ties. I'm going to read the lesson out loud, and I would like you to say the green words. Sometimes I play loud. Sometimes I play quietly. How about you? Do you have a on your clarinet? Oh, me neither. I use my air and my lips to control the volume. This is called, just like tempos, dynamics are written in Italian. Means to play loud and means to play quiet. Composers use the abbreviations P and F. Do you know what happens when a flat sign is before a note? Can you write your answer on the green line if you have not already? Well, if a flat sign is on the B line at the very beginning of a song, then all the B's turn flat, the high ones and the low ones. This is called a... If there is a sharp sign on the F line before the time signature, then all the F's in the whole song turn into... You got it, write it on the line. There is more to key signatures than which notes are sharp or flat, but we'll get to that later. For now, look carefully at the beginning of the songs and exercises in this chapter to make sure you are playing all the correct notes. Are cool. You can take two notes, tie them together, and make one long note. A can only tie together notes that are the... Check out the exercise below. Those little lines are... A tie really changes the rhythm of the song. You need to count all the beats that are in a tie. See the numbers under the ties? Count in your head while you play. All right, we're going to play this one together. Please get your instrument up and ready. You can pause me if you need to. Okay, let's play. Remember to count. Tap, tap, ready, go. Very good. You can stop this video and back up and try that a couple of times if you feel like you had some mistakes or if you need to practice it more. All right, let's move on to the next page. These are some more exercises. It says, look at the key signatures in the exercises below. Circle all of the affected notes by the key signature. Get out your pencil and look through numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5 and circle the notes that have been affected by the key signature. You can pause me if you want. Next, we're going to underline the dynamic markings and also write the beats under each tie. Pause me and use your pencil to do those things. Now ask yourself, if somebody were listening, would they hear the difference between the loud and the quiet parts? I sure hope so. Let's make sure you use your air and your lips to control the volume. Ready to play number 2? Instruments up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap, tap, ready, go. Very good. All right, now we're going to move to number 3. And I have a question for you about number 3. What does the time signature say? What does the key signature say? All right, let's try. Ready? We're starting out loud because there is a forte sign. 1, 2, 1, 2. Tap, tap, ready, go. Awesome. All right, you can pause and try that one a little more slowly or do it again. Okay, number 4. I have the same 2 questions for you. What is the key signature and what is the time signature? Really? There's no 4? Interesting. The low B flats and the high B flats? Interesting. Okay, let's try it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Shh, quiet. Tap, tap, ready, go. Could you tell where I started to play louder? Right, there's a forte sign. Okay, great job. Next, number 5 says to write in your own dynamics. You can pause the video and take a moment to decide what part would you like to be the loud part and what part would you like to be the quiet part. Oh yeah, check that key signature and time signature too. Okay, ready to play? Number 5. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, play. I like that one, it's kind of fun. I did play it a little fast though, so if you need to try that one a couple times, go ahead and pause the video. Next we have the worksheet for the green chapter. There are a few definitions and some music math and a few notes to write down at the bottom. Take your time to fill out this worksheet. Aha, the songs in the green chapter. Some of my favorite songs in this chapter. All right, it says count the ties and watch out for those crazy notes. I hear ya. All right, let's get our mouths ready because we are going to play When the Saints Go Marching In. Okay, there's a little bit of an introduction. I'll help count you in. 1, 2, ready. I missed it. Let's try it again. It's kind of fast. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was pretty good. Why don't you pause the video and let your mouth rest a minute if you were playing along. If you were just listening, that's cool too. And this time, I'm going to just help count and we're going to only listen to the background music while you play along, okay? All right, let's try it. Remember, there's 3 measures of rest with 1 beat at the beginning. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. was great. Good job. I know that song is really fast, so if you want to pause this video and practice that song slowly a few times, that's a good idea. Okay, next we're going to play the Ukrainian folk song. Oh, this one is one of my favorites. It really is the same thing on each line with just different rhythms. The trick is playing that B flat, F sharp, and A with the roll of your finger here. Okay? So I'm going to play it slowly first. Okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Tap, tap, ready, play. Okay, I hope you are playing along. That's awesome. Let's try and play it as fast as we possibly can. Ready? You can pause this video and practice this slowly a couple of times, but otherwise, let's try it fast. You ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, and yep. Tap, 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 ready, go. That was very good. Okay, next song is Polly Wolly Doodle. Okay, be sure to play the dynamics in this song. We want to really hear that you're playing louder and quieter. Could you hear the quiet part? Excellent. All right, we are going to play this one along with the music. One time, I will play it as an example. You can also play along if you like. And then the next time, we will hear just the background music. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Squeak. I tried to get a little fancy and I hit my thumb on there by accident. All right, let's play it again, okay? Here we go. We are going to have a little bit of an intro. It's 3 measures plus 3 beats. Ready? 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Wonderful playing. Okay, pause this video if your mouth needs to rest. All right. The last song in the green chapter is Jasmine Flower. This is such a beautiful song. I really like this one. Now the question at the bottom of song 4 says, the flat sign in the key signature is on the B line. Oh yes, before the time signature, I see a little flat sign. That means what? Are only the high B's flat? I don't know. Write your answer on the green line. Okay. This song is played slowly. Andante means to play slow. And the piano underneath of it means to play quietly. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. If you take a look at beat 3, that is a quarter note. It's a whole beat. Down, up, down, up, down, down. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Play with me. Tap and a little slower. Tap and here we go. Oops. Does anybody know what I did? I think I played that F for too long. Let's try it again. Okay. 1 and 2 and here we go. Wonderful job. Okay, I know I did the whole chapter in like 10 minutes, maybe it was 15 minutes, but you can pause this video and go slow. You can also go back and forth and practice this for a while. All of these songs are super awesome. Good luck with your practicing. Bye!